What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your removed friends that you have accidentally removed, how you can find this. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do, first you have to go to on your Snapchat account. After going to Snapchat, what you need to do, you have to click on your profile just like this. After going to your profile, so what you need to do, you have to click on settings. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. And this is the only way that you can find your friends without any username or password. And this is the only way guys. Please make sure you watch the full video. After doing so, you have to scroll down. Then you have to find the option called my data. Just like this, my data. You have to click on my data option just like this. Then what you need to do, you have to export your data on your Google Gmail account. So you need your chat history. So we need to uncheck all the options just like this. You need to uncheck shopping, spotlight. Okay, you just have to check on this two option, user information and chat history. We need two of those things. After doing so, you have to click on next. After doing next, you have to select a time frame that you have removed your friend from your chat list. So you have to input the time frame. Going to do this last year. After doing so, you have to click on submit. Then you need to click on see exports. Okay, then you will receive an email after 5 or 10 minutes. Then what will the email will look like? Just like this. I'm going to show you. Okay, the email will look like just like this. Then after you have got the email, what you need to do, you have to click on this option, click here. After clicking on this option, you may need to log in your account, Snapchat account on the browsing. You can do it safely. After doing so, after logging your Snapchat account, you will land on a website just like this. Then after you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do, you have to click on see exports just like this. Then here is the option my data. This is the zip file of our data from our Snapchat. Okay, after doing so, you have to click on download. We need to download this file. After downloading this file, you have to go to on your file. Then otherwise you can go to on your download option. You have to go to your file and go to on recents. Okay, after going to your file, here you can see you have to click on download. Then here you can see this is the option, just we have download. This is the file. You have to click on this. You will receive a zip file just like this. You have to unzip it just like this. You have to click on extract and extract. Okay, this is how you can unzip it. After unzipping it, you will find a folder my data just like this. Then you have to go to HTML. After going to HTML, you have to find the option called friends. This is the option we are looking for. You have to click on this option, friends HTML. Okay, then you have to select a browser. I am going to select Chrome browser. After clicking on this, here you can see there is all the information from your Snapchat. So what you can do, you have to find the delete friends option just like this. All the deleted friends from your Snapchat will be showing here, their username and when you added them and when you deleted them. So this is how you can find your friends from Snapchat that you have deleted. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.